Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily update apps on iOS 16 and later version. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up App Store. Then just hit right here at your profile picture to move on to your account settings, and right here just scroll down for a bit until you find that upcoming automatic updates box of applications that shows you the app that has update available for downloading. So now I got just two apps here, and it shows me both of that apps. I can in any time just hit at that upload or update button next to app name to update one single app from that list, or I can hit at update all to download and install all the updates that are currently available for downloading. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.